We'll be cleaning the carpet with that.
Well, David will. We have his cereal hiding in the closet for a bit. What is his books right here? This is a Hello Kitty thing that my cuñada gave me with little brushes, cleaning supplies. My kids. Little by little, I'll be showing progress. These are the things that we want to remove. Hopefully it works. Look, babe, aquí hay más polvo. ¿Quieres una? You want a beer?
Yeah.
These things are the ones I was telling David that I wanted to remove before they brought us the new furniture, just so it could look really nice.